Let me tell you the story of the fox and the stork. The fox one day thought of a plan to amuse himself at the expense of the stork, at whose odd appearance was always laughing. "You must come and dine with me tonight," he said to the stork, smiling at the trick he was going to play. The stork gladly accepted the invitation and arrived in good time and with a good appetite. For dinner, the fox served soup, and the only thing the stork could do was to wet his beak. Not a drop of soup could he get, but the fox lapped it up easily. And to increase the disappointment of the stork, he made a show of his enjoyment. The hungry stork was much displeased at the trick, but was calm and even tempered, and so no good of flying into a rage. Instead, not long afterward, he invited the fox to dine with him in turn. The fox arrived promptly at the time that had been set, and the stork served a fish dinner that had a very appetizing smell. But it was served in a long jar that had a very narrow neck. The stork could easily get at the food with his long beak, but all the fox could do was to lick the outside of the jar and sniff at the delicious odor. And when the fox lost his temper, the stork calmly said, "Do not play tricks on your neighbors unless you can stand them yourself." The moral of the lesson: treat people well so you are treated well. There is no point of making fun or bullying people. Everyone to his own. Everyone should be treated nicely, kindly, and politely. Have a wonderful day.